Hello, so this is Geometry Chapter 2.3 and we'll be doing postulates and diagrams. So 2-point postulate says that through any 2 points there exists exactly one line like this. So, and these are the 2 points. So we will have exactly one line through any 2 points. And we can say name this line as L, line L. Now the line point postulate says that a line like shown here contains at least 2 points. Okay. So line L contains at least 2 points, we can see. This is a line L. So this is line intersection postulate, like means if two lines intersect like this, then their intersection is exactly 1 point. Like two lines here, line L and M intersect. Okay, then intersection is exactly 1 point, that is C. So 2.4 says through any 3 non-collinear points, there exists exactly one plane. Like if this is a plane, okay, and 3 non-collinear points. Like this is D, E, and F. And as we have learned, we can name the plane. If there is no dot, it means it is a plane. It is the name of plane. So name of plane is T, and through any 3 non-collinear points, there will be exactly existing one plane T. So 2.5 here, this plane point postulate says a plane contains at least 3 non-collinear points, like it is shown here, plane T and points D, E, F. So plane line postulate says if 2 points lie in a plane, then the line containing them also lies in the postulate. If 2 points lie in a plane, so this is a plane, okay, and if 2 points here and here lie in a plane, okay, then the line containing, these are the 2 points D and E, so the line containing the plane also lies in the plane. Okay, so this is R, plane R. So plane R, a plane name is R and points are DE. So here we see that if two planes intersect, like plane S and T, then their intersection is a line, which is a line L. So now let's do some problems, then will be it will be more clear. So in here, two planes are given, plane W and plane X, with the lines and points given. So can we assume that plane W and plane X intersect? Yes, we can say that plane W and plane X intersect at this line, which is J, which is we can say JK or KL. So, okay. So yes, they intersect at the line, and the line in they are forming is KL. So here it is asking, are points K, L, M, and N are coplanar? So we can see that this is a plane X and the line we saw KL intersected with it. So KL lies on line plane X as well as plane W. So JKL and NM, they are on the plane X. So yes, they are coplanar on the plane X, and we can say that NKM, they are collinear, but L is not collinear. Okay, so they lie on plane X because they lie on the intersecting line, and we can see the green line, which is NM, NKM. So NKM are collinear. L is not collinear, but still they lie on the plane X. So question 15 is saying points Q, J, M are collinear. So we can see that point Q lies in plane W here, okay, and J lies in both, but M is contained in the plane X, and so they are not collinear points because they lie on the different planes. Point J, however, lies on the intersection of plane W and X, but they are not collinear. Q is contained in plane W and M is contained in plane X. Okay, so they are not collinear points. So 16th question says that MN and RP intersect. So if MN, we see that it lies on line X, and RP, we can see that it lies on plane W. MN lies on plane X and RP lies on plane W. And we can see that they don't, RP and MN, they both intersect JL, the line JL, but they do not intersect because they lie in different planes here, and we can see that they are not intersecting. So question 17 says line JK lies in plane X. So we can see that yes, it lies on the plane X. It is on the intersection of plane W and plane X. So it lies on both the planes and it lies on plane X. So it asks if angle PLK, which is this angle, I'll show you this angle. Is this angle 90-degree or right angle? So we cannot say if it is a right angle, we should have this sign, or it must be written 90-degree. So it is not written explicitly. So we cannot say that this is a right angle. Now it is asking if NKL, angle NKL and JKM are vertical angles. So we can see this is like this. This is JK and this is L. Okay. And this is a line which is N and M. So they are talking about NKL, which is this angle, and JKM, this is this angle. So yes, we can see that they are vertical angles. Okay. So here they are asking if NKJ, like this angle is this angle, and JKM. So this angle. Are they supplementary angles? Yes, they form a supplementary angle. I'll show you again like this. Okay. So one angle is this. I'll name angle 1. This is JKN, NKJ, we can say. And this angle is angle 2, which is JKM. So it forms a straight line. It is a straight angle and they are supplementary angles. So the non-adjacent sides are like NK and KM. Okay. So they form a straight angle. So this is the diagram given and the question is asked that how can we say or what is the use of point postulate here or any example that can be set as a line point postulate. So we see that a line point postulate says a line contains at least 2 points and small letters are lines like P is a line, Q is a line. Small letters are line. Big capital letters, they are the points. So we can say here that line P, this line P here, it contains 2 points H and G. So this is an example of line point postulate. So here we have to give in question 6, we have to give an example of line intersection postulate. So if two lines intersect, then their intersection is exactly 1 point. We can see. So here we can see that line P and line Q, they both intersect at point H. So this is an example of line intersection postulate. So here they are asking about to give an example of 3-point postulate. 3-point postulate says that through any three non-collinear points, there exists exactly one plane. Okay, so this we can give an example is point J, which is here, G, okay, and L. We cannot name the points which are collinear because then it may form a line. So these are non-collinear points J, G, and L, and there is one plane which is M. Whenever it is not a dot, we can say that it is a plane. Suppose if it would like be this, then we can say it is a point. But if it is just like this in a like this, then we say that this is a plane M. This may be point M. Okay. So we can say that um, points J, G, and L forms one plane, which is plane M. So question 8 says plane line postulate, and we have to give the example of that. And we know plane line postulate here says if 2 points lie in the plane, then the line containing them also lies in a plane, like example here. So here in this question, we can see that points JK, I'll just little enlarge, we can say that points JK here, J and K, they lie in plane M. So line Q also lies in plane M. Points JK here, they lie in the plane M. So line Q also lies in the plane M. Okay, so please practice these postulates and please let me know if you have any difficulty. Please practice each question of this book. There are several points where you have to draw, so try them doing them and let me know if you have any difficulty. We'll meet in the next class. Thanks for joining.